The new AI model from China Clink, which has created a huge sensation worldwide, is now available globally. Hello everyone, welcome back to Anna Videos. Actually, it has been used in China for a month before. I tried every method and every way to get in VPNs and such. Luckily, it became available yesterday and I started using it right away, and we can use it for free right now. It's truly incredible, and of course it has its flaws, but it still surprised me a lot. Now, let me show you how we use Clink. We go to clinkai.com, and when we enter the site, we will see an interface like this. It's very easy to navigate. First, we need to sign in for this, so we click on the sign in at the top right. From here, we click on Sign Up Free and create an account with an email address and password. Since I already signed up, I will click on Sign In while logging in. It'll ask you for a security measure. You just saw this puzzle quickly and we've logged in. It gives you 66 free credits every day. By the way, there is no paid model at the moment. So even if you want to use it paid, you can't. It'll be available soon, so you have 66 credits daily. But of course, after the six credits are used up, you can log in with another email address and use another 66 credits. But of course, I'm not recommending such a method. But before that, on the main page, we can see productions made by others. For example, let's open this video right away. You can see its prompt. The camera looks down at a volcano in the middle of the city erupting lava. You can see details of this video aspect ratio and the parameters they used while generating. And we will go into the details of this in a second. And there are also details like what type of camera moment they choose. Others can also like the videos you produce here. You can see there are like number of likes. It's almost like a social network. And you can get likes with your own generations and your videos. Will be showcased on the homepage more likely. So here's another one. Looks quite good, except at some point the scent becomes like a solid structure. So, as I said, it's not perfect. But it's still impressive considering that it started from just a single image. Maybe produced this image with clean, which I will show you in a second. Or maybe they used another tool for this. Let's take a look at another one. For example, this cute cat video. Here, you can see the prompt. A cat wearing an astronaut helmet close up with blue space in the background. And details are amazing. The cat looks incredibly realistic. Look at the moment of the ear and the quality of eyes and realism in the eyes. It's really stunning. Here's another example. This video is created with an original reference image, and they also edit the prompt wind blowing bumble leaves, snowy weather, depth of field effect. And there are also images here that you can actually see. So images and videos are listed together, and you can actually filter just videos, or you can filter just images, which is really handy. So Clink has AI image and AI video modes for now at least. And let's start with text to image here. We can generate an image from scratch by writing any prompt. Let's go ahead and use my atomic prompt structure for this job. So if you remember, I was using this prompt structure in order to create ultra-realistic looking AI images, and I will do exact the same in Clink as well. So I'm copy-pasting this prompt here. Cinematic documentary photo, happy woman from Germany. And you can also add a reference image here, which I will show you in a bit. And here in this section, you can set aspect ratio. For example, this time I will choose 16:9. You can also create how many images you want to generate. And of course, if you increase the number of images, it'll cost you more credits naturally. So for now, I want to generate only 4. Let's hit generate. So I produce 4 images with this prompt. And I can see that it's definitely not bad. The first thing I realize is, well, skin realism is not as realistic looking as Midjourney. So there is a bit of, let's say, this airbrush effect, and the skins look too smooth and too perfect. But there is no reason that it wouldn't continue progressing and maybe reach to a Midjourney level one day.